Welcome, fellow wanderers. Glow Show in Europe, Africa, are you ready to take your travels to the next level? Best believe that traveling isn't just about the incredible destinations. It's about having the right gear to make every journey unforgettable. So grab your passport and buckle up as we explore the top 5 must-have travel gadgets that will transform you from a casual tourist into an unstoppable adventurer. From staying effortlessly connected no matter where you are to keeping all your essentials organized like a pro, these amazing gadgets ensure you can focus on what truly matters, creating unforgettable memories. Let's jump right in and discover these game-changing travel companions that will revolutionize your next getaway. Airplane sparkles. Number 1. Hey there, smartwatch lovers. Running low on your Apple Watch battery? Say goodbye to those charging woes. Introducing the game-changing Huoto Wireless Magnetic iWatch Charger. This little powerhouse is compact, ultra-portable, and compatible with every Apple Watch model out there, from Series 10 to Ultra and beyond. Imagine this, a magnetic design that's so easy to use. Just clip it on and voila. Charging begins instantly. No messy cables in sight. But wait, there's more. With a robust 1,200 mAh battery, this portable power bank packs enough juice for up to 1.5 full charges, perfect for those busy days on the go. Worried about safety? Don't be. It's built with advanced safety protection to shield your devices while they charge, so you can power up without any stress. Traveling soon? This charger is your ultimate companion for keeping your watch powered anywhere, anytime. So, are you ready to step into a world of hassle-free charging? Smash that subscribe button for more exciting tech tips and tricks. Number 2. Hey travel lovers. Are you tired of the stressful race against weight limits when packing for your adventures? Well, worry no more. Introducing the Travel Inspira Luggage Scale, your new best friend in luggage management. This handy tool ensures you dodge those dreaded overweight baggage fees, letting you pack with confidence every time you fly. With an impressive weight capacity of 110 pounds, it's tough enough for your biggest suitcases and compact enough to fit in your pocket. Imagine effortlessly lifting your heavy luggage with its comfortable rubberized grip. The crystal clear backlit display? A game changer. You can read it easily, even in those dimly lit airport corners. And here's a pro tip. It saves battery with its nifty auto-off feature, plus it comes with a CR2032 battery included. Before you jet off, make sure you're travel ready. Say goodbye to surprises at the check-in counter. Join our community and subscribe for more epic travel tips that save you time and money. Let's travel smart together. Number 3. Airplane raised hand. Are you tired of awkwardly holding your phone during long flights? Well, say hello to your new travel buddy, the Flex Flap Cell Phone Holder. Mobile phone sparkles, crafted with the insight of a flight attendant. This innovative gadget transforms your travel experience. Glow Show in Europe, Africa briefcase. Imagine binge-watching your favorite movies or conquering that mobile game without lifting a finger. You'll never go back. Clapperboard video game. It's ultra-flexible and ready for any device. iPhone, iPad, Android, you name it, it fits. Counterclockwise arrows at an okay hand. Whether you're soaring through the skies, cruising on the road, or whipping up a storm in the kitchen, the Flex Flap has you covered. It can even hold your purse or recipe books. Cooking handbag. Made with premium leather and a tough aluminum alloy core, it's not just stylish, it's built to last. Flex Biceps Hammer and Wrench, your ultimate travel companion. Ensuring hands-free fun and convenience wherever you go. Glowing Star Rocket. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fantastic travel gadgets that enhance your adventures. Bell's Sparkling Heart. Number 4. Looking for a portable steamer that works both at home and on the go? Check out the G62 in one portable steamer for clothes and iron for clothes. At just 0.7 pounds, it's super lightweight and heats up in just 15 seconds. With 900 W of steam power, it effortlessly removes wrinkles in no time. Perfect for at home or while traveling. Compact and travel-friendly, it's easy to pack and store, making it your ultimate travel companion. Use it vertically or horizontally, and it's safe on all fabric types, even delicate ones. No water stains, just smooth, fresh clothes every time. Get the wrinkle-free clothes you deserve, wherever you are. For more product insights and reviews, hit that subscribe button. Number 5. Tired of bulky dental tools when you travel? Meet the Costless Water Dental Flosser, your new travel essential. Lightweight, weighing only 200 g, this mini flosser fits right into your bag or even your pocket, perfect for business trips, vacations, or daily commutes. With a detachable tank that's easy to clean and refill, no more hassle with messy, hard-to-clean parts. For cleaning modes, up to 1,400 high-pressure pulses and gentle on sensitive teeth, it removes up to 99.9% of stains. IPX7 waterproof, 30-day battery life, and fast Type-C charging. Ready whenever you are. Grab yours today for clean, fresh teeth on the go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips to keep your smile fresh anytime, anywhere.